Alright guys, I just want to come on here and do a quick review on my Rocketbook Everyday Planner. Okay guys, so like this is going to be a game changer if you're used to just like writing on like your calendar, your phone, or just like on like a piece of paper like how I was doing it. So this is the Rocketbook Everyday Planner. Here's what you get, the special pen and the cleaning cloth. So check it out. So I'll just show you the inside, and I'm gonna change the view on the camera just so you can see what it looks like once I'm actually writing on here. But you'll never need another calendar or like a planner, because this is gonna change the game forever. It has already for me. Been using it every day. Let me show you how it works. All right, guys, so let's take a look at what it looks like on the inside. You got your vision, motivation, some goals and achievements right on this page. It breaks it down by month. Right, so I'm at the end of January. So let's just say run 5 more ad campaigns. Right, and then next time around, or let's say it ends up needing to be 10, right? But I already wrote that down. With this cleaning cloth that they give you, you just have to wet it just a little bit. And then what I just wrote down here that you can see literally comes right off, as if it was never there. Like, wow, when I saw that first happen, I was like, wow, that is super cool. Look, nothing at all. So as you're going through your planner, even if it's just like back here, maybe you break it down by day, because that's the biggest thing for me is like my to-do list. So today is Tuesday, tomorrow is church conference, and then I have to finish uploading content. So again, this is super neat, super cool. I'll get just a little bit closer there. Just to be wet enough room the first time. Now we'll wet a little more, no big deal. Just wet a little more. There it is. But, and if you want to keep it on there, you don't have to erase it. I just do just because more for example purposes. So, and the other cool feature that I liked is anything that you write on here, like it says here, you can actually send it to your favorite cloud service. So Google Drive, email, OneNote, Evernote, Dropbox, all of them right here. You can actually do that. So I thought that was super cool, super convenient. Again, highly recommend, 10 out of 10.